To start off, we're going to show you what makes this coach a mid-bunk. Currently, we're in the mid-bunk room, so if you're someone who's got a big family or you like to entertain a lot of people, this is the perfect unit for you, and let me tell you why. You got a couch here, and you also have this loft that can also pull down. The couch can turn into a bed. You're going to have a section here for your TV, and you have tons and tons of storage for clothes, shoes, video games, whatever it may be. Moving towards the front of the coach, right above the mid-bunk room, you're going to see here we have our loft with some integrated steps to lead you right into the loft. Really good for kids, anything like that. Then over here, you're gonna have your 3-seat couch, which also pulls into a full bed. Up towards the head of the unit, we got our king-size bed, which does have full storage underneath.